world for glory. Got PBJ and some Gatorade. Got a full tank of gas, just got paid. Who cares what some people may say? Let destiny and love carry us away. We are the wind, whispering like a prayer on the wave of love to a new frontier. This is our chance with nothing to fear. When we open our hearts, we'll see the light. Wherever love takes us tonight. Wherever love takes us tonight. Come on now, it's our adventure, no need to rush. As long as we're together, we need a big city remedy. Have you ever seen Yosemite? We can go anywhere 'cause we're free. Miles and miles of love, just you and me. We are the wind, whispering like a prayer on the wave of love to a new frontier. This is our chance with nothing to fear. When we open our hearts, we'll see the light. Wherever love takes us tonight. Wherever love takes us It's all for the best. We don't need GPS. We'll ride, let love be our guide. 'Cause we are the wind, whispering like a prayer on the wave of love to a new frontier. This is our chance with nothing to fear. If we open our hearts, we'll see the light. Wherever love takes us tonight. Wherever love takes us tonight. Wherever love takes us tonight, baby. Wherever love takes us tonight. Wherever love takes us tonight.
This dance is called Waves of Love. It is a 4/64 count improver level line dance, choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. Weight is on the left foot, 7, 8. Cross right over left, step left to left side, cross right behind left. Make a quarter turn left, stepping forward on the left foot to face 9 o'clock. Step forward on the right, make a half turn pivot, left, right, shuffle forward. Now facing 3 o'clock. Cross left over right, step right foot to the right side, cross left behind right. Make a quarter turn right, stepping forward on the right foot. Now facing 6 o'clock. Step forward on the left foot, make a half turn pivot right to face 12 o'clock. Left shuffle forward. Cross right, point left, cross left, point right. Right jazz box cross. Cross right over left, step back left, step right, right side, cross left over right. Half half a figure of 8. Step right foot to the right side, cross left behind right, make a quarter turn right, stepping forward on the right foot to face 3 o'clock. Step forward on the left, make a half turn pivot right to face 9 o'clock. Make a quarter turn pivot right, stepping the left foot to the left side to face 12. Weight is on the left. Cross right behind left. Make a quarter turn left, stepping the left foot forward to face 9 o'clock. Right side chassé. Rock back on the left. Recover right. Left and right side touches with optional arm wave. Step the left foot to the left side, touch right next to the left, wave arms. Step right foot to the right side, touch left, wave arms. Make a quarter turn left, stepping forward on the left foot to face 6. Make a half turn left, stepping back on the right foot to face 12. Make a half turn shuffle left. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 6 o'clock. Step forward on the right, touch left next to right. Step back left, hook right across left. Step forward on the right foot, scuff left foot forward. Cross left over right, step back right. Step the left foot to the left side, touch right next to left. Step the right foot to the right side, touch left next to right. Make a quarter turn left, stepping the left foot forward to face 3. Make a half turn left, stepping back on the right foot to face 9 o'clock. Half turn shuffle left. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 3 o'clock. Right, rocking chair. Rock forward on the right, recover left. Rock back on the right, recover left. Weight is on the left, ready to restart the dance. The counts of the dance. Weight is on the left, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance we have a restart on wall 3. Wall 3 starts facing 6 o'clock. You'll dance the first 16 counts and restart the dance. Weight is on the left, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is count 16, just restart the dance. Also, we have an ending. The ending of the dance happens on the last wall of the dance, facing 9 o'clock. Weight is on the left, 7, 8. Cross right over left, step left to left side, cross right behind left. Make a quarter turn left, stepping forward on the left foot to face 6 o'clock. Step forward on the right, make a half turn left. Step forward on the right foot, hold for count 8. The counts of the ending. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. Thank you for watching.